Welcome along to another edition of BalloonTube with myself, Graham Lee, and this is a little advert really, just to tell you a couple of things. I do run the balloon forum, which is balloonchat.co.uk. Over there there's over 120 step-by-step tutorials if you'd like to have a look. We've got all the tutorials up on BalloonTube to have a look at. And if you are in the UK and would like to purchase some balloons, we do have an online shop, which is balloonartwholesale.co.uk. Hopefully that'll be coming up here, and hopefully Balloon Chat's come up as well for the details there. And if you would like to support us a little bit, that would be very much appreciated to keep the BalloonTube running, and also to keep Balloon Chat online as well. And so I've signed up to buy me a coffee /myballoonart. And there you can, if you wish, buy us a coffee or two, and it helps us to keep the tutorials going. So that's the end of the advert, and here we go with the main feature for this month. So it's bye from me, cheerio, here comes the main feature. Quick Graham, get out of it, bye. Welcome along to BalloonTube, and today we're going to do the rose. Here it is. Alright. If only I had two roses, I could be a thorn amongst two roses, couldn't I? But anyway, that thought just come to me. So what you're going to do, you get a 160, and you're going to leave, I've left about 6 fingers uninflated. You need 3 2.5 finger fold twists. So now that's 3 fingers up there, so it's just about 2.5 finger fold twists. Push the knot through, squeeze the air, and then you go. Second one, squeeze the air again, and the third one. You then need, oh, in case I forget, there is down the bottom here somewhere, there might be here, there's a button, or a subscribe button, so if you could press, put my teeth back in, if you could press that, it would be appreciated. Or if you could tell a few friends about BalloonTube as well. Alright, so you want 3 2.5 finger fold twists, a 4 finger bubble, and then squeeze the air, and you want a 2 1 finger bubbles, which you're going to pinch twist. So this one goes around this one, hold them like this, twist this around, and then the end of the balloon goes over the top of those 2 bubbles and turns them into pinch twist. Right, you then squeeze the air, and you want about a 3 finger fold twist for the leaves on the stem. Alright, so that's one, squeeze the other one. Okay. Now wrap this around a few times. Now what you can do here, because obviously you don't want the rest of your stem to be this long, and if you deflate from here you'll end up with a knot. So what you can do is you can pull it off here, or whatever you do, don't bite the balloon, right, that's not very good. Right? And then you want a 6 finger bubble from here, so put it up there, we go, and then tie that back up. Wrap this around your 2 fold twists and the pinch twist, and that way you don't see the knot at the end of the balloon, and it doesn't take that much longer, and just makes it a little bit neater. So cut the excess off. Okay. Oh, there we go. And get the pinch twist into place, and then I also like to just put a little kink in the you know, it just gives it a little movement as well. Just do a little shock twist and just get it so that it's not actually sitting straight. Right, so that's your stem. Now you need a 160. I'm using rose, alright, and I've got about 7 fingers uninflated. And you could use red and white, you know, whichever colour you want to go with. So the knot goes around the 3 small fold twists. You then need a 2 finger bubble, a 1.5 finger bubble that you're going to pinch twist. So that's your 2 finger, 1.5 finger there. As you twist this one to this one, just gently pull this away. Right, gently pull that away. Then you need a 1.5 finger bubble, and another 1.5 finger bubble that you're going to pinch twist. So these two are going to go together again. You need another 2 finger bubble, and that 2 finger bubble goes around the 3 fold twists of the stem. There we go. So it does look a little bit like a teddy bear's head there, doesn't it? So, then you need another 2 finger bubble, a 1.5 finger bubble, which you're going to pinch twist. These two go together. And another 1.5 finger bubble, which you're going to twist around either one of the other two pinch twists. You know, when I just said that's the teddy bear's head, so whichever one of the pinch twists, just choose one. Now then, what you have to do now is squeeze all the air out of the 160 and go back to one of the pinch twists. Alright, because we need to come across this section, but the balloon's in the wrong place sort of thing. So just squeeze the air out so that you've got some uninflated there. Not quite sure if you can see, but anyway, because I can't even see the screen. And that comes back to the other pinch twist, and then you can put your 1.5 finger bubble in to go to the other pinch twist. Alright, there we go. So it ends up looking like this. So you've got like a triangle at the top. Squeeze the air, because these need to be soft now. And what you're going to do, you're going to come from this pinch twist, where the 160 is, underneath this pinch twist, and attach it to the next pinch twist around. And you do that 3 times. So make sure that's nice and soft. Come underneath the first pinch twist, get to the second one, and twist that around. Squeeze the air, make it a bit softer. So from this one, you're going to miss this one out, and come to this one. So you come from here, underneath the first pinch twist, round to the second one, and squeeze that around. Right. And then squeeze this, make it really soft, and you'll see why in a minute. So we're on this pinch twist, you're going to miss this one out and come round to this one. So miss that one out, and bring it around to that. So it looks a bit messy and not like a rose at the moment, but hopefully it will do in a minute. I deflate this, and I'll use my scissors this time. Right. But I'm going to keep this because I want to leave that on because I tie all the pinch twists up in a little while. Right. So this, where I've just tied the knot in the 160, I push it underneath this bubble here. So push that so it's underneath the pinch twist out the way. Right. Now the pinch twist, you're going to go over the top of this bubble. Alright, you're going to split it in 2. Alright, so just get hold of the pinch twist and push it downwards towards the bottom of the stem. Alright, turn it around, this pinch twist, you're going to go over this bubble and push it down towards the bottom of the stem. Now don't worry, these are non-popping, so you'll be fine. Alright, just trust me, I'm a semi-professional. It's going to pop now, isn't it? But anyway, so this pinch twist is going to go down over that one. There we go. And then the last one, the pinch twist is in here. You've got to come over this bubble and push it down to the bottom of towards the bottom of the stem. Alright, there we go. Right. So then what I do is I take the uninflated, pull it tight, go around that pinch twist, pull it tight, go around the other pinch twist, back to the first pinch twist, pull it round, a couple of times, and cut off the excess. It just all helps to hold the rows nicely together. The other thing I do is these 2 bubbles here, I don't know if you can see, but the top one is going towards the left and the bottom one's going towards the right. So I emphasise that a little bit more. So I push the top one to the left, the bottom one to the right. On this one, the top one's going to the left, bottom one to the right. So I just try and emphasise that a bit more. Alright, and this one, it's the other way round. So you don't want the rows being too symmetrical. You do want it to look a little bit slightly different sizes. So once you push it round, you can just see they're slightly. This one comes a little bit more. There we go. There. So you end up looking like this, and then I get another 160, and I'll do 3 pinch twists to put in the centre. All right. So they're only 1.5 finger bubbles. So we do 2 of these. The knot goes around the second one. Take the knot over the top. Give you your 2 pinch twists. Squeeze the air. Another 1.5 finger bubble, or 1 if you want to do it a bit smaller. And the knot goes down the 2 pinch twists. All right. And then get rid of that. Oh, there you go. I thought I better not put it in the teeth again. And I like to tie that. Oh, I might have the excess of that, I think I've left a little bit tight there. I've only got a little bit. You might want to leave a little bit more excess there. I shouldn't have been so aggressive, should I? I should have cut it off, but I'm going to give that a whirl. That, you push down these two side bubbles, you want to push it down from the top and bring it out to the side and tie it into the 3 fold twists there, alright? Now because I've done mine a little bit on the short side, but I'll see how I get on. Where are you? Well, there's one. We'll open the first one, and we open the second one, and I've just about got enough, but you want to leave a little bit more uninflated balloon there so you don't have to struggle. I thought I'd better struggle just to show you. And then twist those pinch twists, push them into the centre. Right, so it looks a little like this, and then these pinch twists can either go this way, horizontal underneath, or you might just prefer to have them vertically. I'm just going to vertically so you can see. There you go. And there's your little rose. Alright, so thanks for watching. That's all from me for this time, and we might see you again on the BalloonTube. Alright, so it's bye from me. Thanks for watching. Bye. There you go, Rose. Cheerio.